Inkxaso ngakumani iyayikhula sukela wagwetshwa. Ngoku nopoqo ufunge ngelithi uza kwenza konke okusemandleni ukuqinisekisa ukuba nalo kamani uphuma etshaya kule nkundla. Amalungu alombutho naquka inkokheli yawo uMzwanele Nyonso bebezimase inkqubo zenkundla.
The institutions of higher learning have to take responsibility for what these service providers do in the first place. There shouldn't be outsourcing of these things to service providers. Why can't institutions run these things by themselves? Why do they have to give tax? Why? Because there is this web of corruption. A glitch of 14 million rands. Are they crazy?
Continue once again to make an appeal to police hawks, investigate the glitch. Let the people who are responsible for the so-called glitch be made accountable.
Umani usengaphandle ngebail de aphinde avele enkundleni. Abongile Yankees kwiindaba ze SABC eMonti.